In this video, I'm showing you how to make ricotta stuffed mushrooms, and they're super delish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest cooking videos and recipes. First off, you're going to want to take your mushrooms and just go ahead and remove the stem. It pulls out pretty easily, so go ahead and do that first. And then we're going to take the mushroom and a little spoon and scoop out the inside. They're called little frills, and we just want to scoop those out. Sometimes there can be a little dirt left inside, and it just makes more room for the stuffing as well. So it should look like so. Go ahead and throw them in a pan, drizzle with a little olive oil. We're going to season with a little salt and a little pepper. And then we're going to give them a gentle toss, just so that they coat evenly. Set those aside, and now we're going to mix up the filling. So go ahead and take your ricotta cheese, add it to a mixing bowl, and we want to use all that ricotta. Don't leave any behind. Then I'm going to season with a little Italian seasoning, or you could use your favorite herbs. I'm going to add in a little salt and pepper. Add in a little fresh squeezed lemon. I always love adding a little citrus to my dishes. It really makes it pop. I'm going to throw in a little extra virgin olive oil. And then just go ahead and take your spoon and give it a good mix. We just want to make sure that it's incorporated well. But this is going to make it super flavorful, and those herbs, that little bit of citrus, oh, it's going to be so good. So now when that's all mixed up, go ahead and fill the mushrooms. Just take a little teaspoon and go ahead and fill as so. And then once those are all filled, then we're going to take a little Parmesan. You could also do a little Asiago or Gruyere on top, and just don't be shy with the cheese. This dish is all about the cheese. Go ahead, throw those in the oven, and we're just going to let those cook. Now, you have a couple options. You can use the broiler setting to help brown on top, or you can use a torch like this. I like using a torch just because it's a little bit faster and you get that nice golden bubbly brown color, and it definitely melts the cheese. So this can be done right before serving, or if you're prepping them for later on, you can always do it ahead of time too, so no worries there. You're just going to want to move the torch back and forth so that it evenly coats. Make sure it's not too high. If it is, just go ahead and turn it down a little bit. Now our mushrooms are all ready, and we just need to plate them up. So go ahead and take your serving dish, add the mushrooms. Ooh, they look so beautiful, and these are definitely a crowd pleaser. It's hard not to eat them right out of the oven. Go ahead, add a little fresh basil or fresh herbs on top, and they're all ready to enjoy. Ricotta stuffed mushrooms with a little Parmesan on top. We have some Italian herbs and a little lemon, extra virgin olive oil. Don't forget to give them a taste. So delicious. And I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. I'll see you next time. Happy eating.